This is my bike check.
James Collinson, the mad Spaniard.
Spaniard. It's my red bike. Nando's bike. Okay. Static BMX. One.
Mhm.
The best channel in the world. Better than Positive.
Positive shit. Shout out to Positive for being shit.
Right, we'll do some more shout outs at the end. Right. Front, we got my United Kilo
KL40.
KL40 bars. But nice. Pepper. Yeah. Then I got some salt, CNC stem. Alright. Alloy. I got my
What about your grip?
oh shit, my grips are ODIs, yeah, and then the bar ends are just in there, like, yeah.
What headset have you got? You've got a Rich.
Yeah, no, actually, talking to Tom Haynes, it's an Odyssey headset with a Ritchie, like a cap, like the cover. Right. Forks, Connolly Phantom forks. They're pretty damn dandy.
Colony.
Not
Connolly.
No, I just say fuck off. Right, 2 We the People Toxic pegs. Yeah, they're alright. Vandero 2 hub. Lace to a Odyssey Hazard Shite rim. And
What about the tyre that I sold you?
oh shit, yeah, and my tyres are Demolition Momentum. Yeah, Momentums. Right. And then my frame. It's a Sunday. Second wave Ian Swartz signature. Schwartz.
You gotta do it.
Schwartz. Right, they pretty much it's just got integrated seat posts, which I like. Yeah. Seat, Odyssey Aiken.
It's Aiken.
Fuck off.
8.
Right, pedals. Fucking Twisted, Odyssey Twisted. Fucking cranks. Stock, just shit. Fuck. Stock sole. Sprocket, just a sprocket. United bottom bracket. Chain. Rear wheel. It's a KMC, yeah. They're all
Titanium
KMC.
axle.
Right, titanium. I was gonna fuck off, asshole. Right.
That was my bad.
Right, hub. Exposure rim, just an exposure complete. Shit. That's about it, really.
What about your
isn't it?
shoes?
Fuck off. Yeah. Get the camera up. Yeah, that's
Jimmy
my bike.
shoes?
That's my bike. They're not even 6.0s.
Yeah, I know, they're just Nike, but they're fucking amazing.
Yeah.
Right, do a hub sound then.
A hub
Oh,
sound.
and then a momentum on the back.
A hub sound?
Did you just say a hub sound?
Go on
Yeah.
then, do a hub sound.
Wait, everyone, really be quiet. There you go, there's my fucking bike check. Say goodbye to Jamie Beach and Wilco.
You're wondering what the
if
noise
you just
was?
watched my fucking bike check, this was the fucking noise.